Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a very big hiring which is coming here from Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for software engineer role, Bangalore, Karnataka, and the job is posted on 22nd of January 2024, just 1 week before. So this is the latest hiring. And friends, we will also talk about the Capgemini Excel 2023-2024 hiring, which is happening right now pan India full time, right? Before that, friends, please like the video because it takes a lot of effort in finding the genuine content, preparation videos, or each and everything for you. And also do subscribe to the channel so that we can bring more and more videos for you. So please like the video now. So friends, Capgemini first we will see, and then we will move to the Cognizant software engineer role, right? Okay, so this particular hiring is basically happening through the Superset platform. See, as it is mentioned pan India, but still this link is getting shared from the college to 2024 batch, right? See, why it is showing eligibility criteria not eligible. The reason is this is the allowed is only 2024 batch pass out, and open for the colleges. This job profile is not open for your college. So friends, what Capgemini basically is doing. So Capgemini is sending email to the TPO that we are coming to your college, and this through this particular link, right, 2024 batch, and that particular college will be able to only register. That means if Capgemini is not coming to your college, if your TPO has not informed, then you will not be able to register, right? Okay, so it will show for you this job profile is not open for your college. Friends, Capgemini has also changed the pattern, right? And if you know the pattern, right, so Capgemini pattern is now changed. So we have the essay writing. So if you go here and check for the content, so we have essay writing, and then we have technical MCQs, right? Okay, and then we have coding, right? And then we have English communication. So basically a spoken English assessment, that is very, very important, right? Because this is also a elimination round. So we have already put the videos, and also we are having, we are having the live classes, you can see. So now we are having live classes and recorded plus live classes, and we have covered each and everything. So essay writing, so almost 15 to 20 essay on the current trend we have done it, right? We have told you how to write the essay writing, right? So even COVID also technology, so each and everything we have covered, right? So artificial intelligence, how it will take your job, so all the essay writing has been covered here, right? Okay, and see, we are giving you the recorded content so that you can study and then you can immediately. Then data structure we have covered, right? Technical MCQs on networking, technical MCQs on cloud, technical MCQs on database, technical MCQs on data structure. So complete syllabus we have covered, right? And we are also giving you the PDF so that you will be able to write immediately, read it, and then you will be able to go to the exam. Capgemini coding, so concepts with problems we have covered, and English communication, which is spoken English assessment, that also we have covered, right? So each and everything, friends, get it today itself and start your preparation. And along with that, we are also doing the live classes, right? So you can see technical MCQ live. So we are also doing the live videos, right? So where you will be able to see, the questions, a discussion will be there with your mentors, right? So recorded plus live, recorded content is very much sufficient for you to crack Capgemini. So get it, the link is in description, right? Okay, friends, nobody will provide you this much of content, right? Because they have not even prepared, and we are giving you the latest change pattern, right? So for 2024 batch, so don't miss this opportunity. Get it and study in 2-3 days. This is a crash course. This is how we release. And if somebody wanted the complete course, you can go for the Achievers 2.4 batch, 2.5 batch, right? Where all these features you will be getting, including the internship, right? Okay, now, friend, the second job opportunity which we have from Cognizant. So this is for the software engineer role, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And this is open for all the graduate, right? So qualification, they have not mentioned which particular, right? So they have not mentioned which particular graduates they are looking for. So this is open for all the graduates. So clearly understand roles and competency, proficiency, exception for self, demonstrate appreciation of diversity. So this every company will write, highlight any observable deviation in areas of diversity and inclusion, participate in recruitment process under supervision, refer new talent for hiring, be a part of the mentoring process and start mentoring members under supervisions, report any deviation from the people practices that do not reflect organization values, conduct people management processes with fairness, transparency, and diligent, right? So friends, what I would like to say, so if you are 2023 2022, 2021, 2020 graduates, then you can go and apply, right? So the skills which you need is Spring Boot, AngularJS, Java. So if you have any skills, right? So if you know Java, or if you know AngularJS, or if you know Spring Boot, or if you know any one language, if you know, then right, you can go for it. Anyway, if you know Java, then definitely you will be understanding other things as well, right? Okay, good to have. And full-time employer, day job, right? And this is posted recently, right? So all this recent job, see, no information you should miss out. That's the reason we ask you to subscribe to this channel, so that you will be having all the information, right? Okay, so this was the latest hiring which we have brought up for you. And if you like, please do like the video and share, subscribe to the channel, so that we bring more and more content for you all. So thank you for your trust. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We are also doing the free videos on essay writing on Capgemini 2024, right? So Capgemini, we have done many videos, missed to go. So for all the companies, right? So for all the companies, aptitude, coding, so we try to do as much as possible. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.